what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a bubbles made in socks. I recommend this socks is very competitive, and some plastic batter, any plastic batter that you want, and glitter, and some bubble solution. I use any kind of soap, hand wash, dish soap, any that you like. So I use hand soap. Yeah. So what we're gonna do in the matter is what we're gonna do is cut this in sections. Cut in center. Here is the center, so I'm gonna be so I pin this one.
Sa ilalim ng sako ha. Saan nilagay?
Ask for your parents for this. Ask for your parents first you would do this. So this is the bottle. It's no cup. This is cup. So you don't need some cup. And you pick again. And put it on inside of the socks. You gotta blow in this, and then you have your, and then blow, and blow. Oh my God! It's working! It's working! It's working! My turn! Wait! Outside. Okay, outside. Let's go! So, what's on the bed? Uh-oh. My turn! It's my turn. So this, we are in outside. My turn, please. So this is the beautiful animation. She drank. She drank that. So, are you okay? Yes. I'm just. This is gone. She is gonna make some. Cut in the center and get some socks. Where's the socks? You go pick the socks. I'll go clean this up. So that's the bubble. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and subscribe this super comfy bottle.